Welcome to the best picks. The best Raker gauge is probably one of the most important yet overlooked tools for chainsaw maintenance, ensuring your saw cuts smoothly and efficiently, and significantly impacting safety and performance. This detailed review will help you choose the perfect chainsaw Raker gauge to keep your cutting tool in top condition, whether you're a professional logger or a weekend woodworker tackling your latest project. We will explore key features, functionalities, and factors to consider when making your purchase decision, ultimately helping you make an informed choice that best suits your needs and budget. Number 5. Oregon 40466 Chainsaw Tool. This toolkit makes maintaining your chainsaw easier than ever. It includes everything you need for precise and consistent cuts. The .025 drop center depth gauge ensures accurate settings every time. This makes setting the depth gauge quick and easy. A high-quality flat file is also included. It can be used with or without a handle for your convenience. This kit simplifies chainsaw maintenance. Spend less time sharpening and more time cutting. Instructions are provided on the back of the package to help you learn the proper filing technique. Get the most out of your chainsaw. With this kit, you'll achieve precise cuts and extend the life of your chainsaw. It's the perfect addition to your tool collection. What we like. It boasts an easy-to-use design for precise depth gauge settings. The included file is a bonus, saving you money and hassle. If you're a homeowner tackling occasional chainsaw work, this is a great option for maintaining your saw's performance. What people say. I use this to set the depth for my electric chain grinder. Easy to use and holds up good. After using this tool, the chain now cuts like it's brand new. I recommend it. Depth gauge and file are perfect for setting chain depth gauge. File could use a handle, but that is easy enough to buy separately. Outdoor power shops should be using a depth gauge on all their sharpening. Great necessary tool. Number 4. Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. This kit will keep your chainsaw blades sharp and ready for action. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. The included depth gauge ensures perfectly sharpened teeth every time. This leads to cleaner cuts and a longer lifespan for your blades. It's made from high-grade carbon steel for exceptional durability and resistance to clogging. You can count on it to withstand tough jobs. This kit utilizes state-of-the-art manufacturing for a superior, stay-sharp performance. You'll notice the difference immediately. It's simple to use and fits most chainsaws. Get professional results without the hassle. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. Made from high-grade carbon steel, it's built to last. Its sharpness ensures efficient cutting. If you need a durable and widely compatible tool, this is the one for you. What people say. Seems well made. Should last for several filings. Works like it should. Good depth gauge works fine on wide chainsaw. Number 3. Tecomec Gauge Tool. Introducing the new depth gauge tool. It ensures precise settings for your chainsaw, saving you time and effort. This innovative tool makes setting your chainsaw chain quick and easy. Get perfectly calibrated cuts every time. Specifically designed for Tecomec chains with a .025 gauge, it guarantees accuracy and efficiency. It also works perfectly with Tecomec chains using a .030 gauge. Enjoy consistent, professional results. It's simple and intuitive to use, requiring minimal training. Get professional results with ease. This tool helps you achieve precise cuts, reducing waste and improving overall performance. Experience the difference. What we like. It provides precise measurements for both .025 and .030 Tecomec chainsaws. This ensures optimal cutting performance. If you own a Tecomec chainsaw and need accurate depth gauge settings, this is the perfect choice. Number 2. Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. This kit is designed to keep your chainsaw blades sharp and efficient. It's perfect for anyone who needs to maintain their chainsaw for optimal performance. It's compatible with almost all chainsaw types, making it a versatile tool for various applications. You'll save time and effort with its wide compatibility. The high-quality flat file helps you easily sharpen your saw. This ensures smooth, efficient cuts every time. The built-in depth gauge makes measuring cutting depth quick and easy. Precise measurements ensure consistent cuts and safety. Made from high-quality steel, it's built to withstand years of use. It's a reliable investment for any forestry or agricultural professional. This kit is a must-have for forestry and agriculture workers. It's a practical solution for maintaining your chainsaw and maximizing its lifespan. What we like. Its high-quality steel construction ensures years of reliable use. The integrated depth gauge adds convenience to the sharpening process. If you're a professional or serious DIYer who values durability and efficiency, this is the tool for you. What people say. Sharpens my chains as expected. Great product. Does the job. Number 1. Oregon 27742 Gauge Tool. Maintaining the correct depth gauge is crucial for your chainsaw's performance. This tool makes setting it accurately and consistently effortless. It ensures the right depth gauge height, leading to optimum cutting performance and a smoother operation. This results in cleaner cuts and less chain wear. Regular filing of your depth gauges is essential. It's recommended to file it at least every third time you sharpen your chain. This kit includes a handy flat file, usable with or without a handle, for easy depth gauge maintenance. It's everything you need in one convenient package. Clear and detailed instructions are provided on the back of the package, guiding you through the proper filing technique. Get perfect results every time. The kit contains one precision depth gauge tool and one high-quality flat file, providing all the necessary components for maintaining your chainsaw. What we like. It makes setting the depth gauge quick and easy, ensuring consistent cuts. The recommendation for regular filing helps maintain optimal cutting performance. If you prioritize ease of use and consistent results, this is the ideal choice. What people say. I'd say the best part of this kit is the file. The guide is almost accurate, almost. It does a good job of filing the rakers. The file is a good file, stays clean, removes saw chain rakers in a pass or two. Another thing about this gauge, it's simple to use. Good easy instructions on back of package, so anybody on my crew can use it. Good thing about this, any raker gauge, it keeps both sides of the rakers even, depending height of actual tooth, since it's set across the 2x cutting teeth working edge of teeth in front of and behind, the one you're hitting. But it's a great lil kit for giving a good pretty darn even precise gauge over the raker's drags. And it's fairly fast and easy to get a hang of. Quality file and guide will last longer than most of the people who buy it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.